Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we have this 2023 Kia Telluride, and we're going to do the installation for the wheel chrome deletes. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. We use the gloss black material, that way it matches the color of the rims to the color of the decal. Link for the product will be down in the description below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the chrome. So make sure you clean the rim, especially where we're going to install the pieces. So for this install, it's pretty simple since it is a flat surface to work on. So you want to install it from one end first. Once you have it tacked down and covering the chrome, you just work your way installing the other end. And this should cover without any issues. And then you would just rinse and repeat the steps we did for this one to the remaining pieces here. So for the small section that we're missing here, pretty simple. Just make sure you're covering everything, and it should go like this. That's pretty much it. And then you just rinse and repeat the same process that we did for this one to the remaining sections. And once you finish installing all of the pieces, the last thing you do is just post heat all around to secure the decal onto the rim, and then you should be done. Okay, so that concludes the installation for the wheel chrome deletes for the 2023 Kia Telluride. We hope that this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.